Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. You can never go to the past and change the beginning, but you can surely start from where you are and change the ending. By this, we begin. Assalamu alaikum and a great day to one and all. Anything and everything under the control of God is never out of control. So, for reciting the prayer Surah Al Fatiha, I call upon Muhammad Nihal from 6th A.
السلام عليكم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
Thank you, Nihal. A person without patriotism is like a body without soul. So, for leading the pledge, I call upon Ridin Muhammad from 7th D.
Assalamu alaikum. Henceforward, India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of it rich and very heritage. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people I pledge my devotion. India's well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Thank you.
Thank you, Ridin. A good thought is like positive feeling with which you can always keep going. By this, I call upon Aisha Silna from 6C.
Assalamu alaikum and a warm greetings to one and all. Today is Hiroshima Day. So, here I am with the thought of Mahatma Gandhi about war. If we are to teach real peace in this world and if we are to carry on a real war against war, we shall have to begin with the children. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Silna. Creativity is intelligence having fun. So now I call upon Falwa Muhammad from 8B for the Sadako crane making.
Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Sadako Sasaki was a Japanese girl who became a victim of the atomic bombing of Hiroshima when she was 2 years old. Though severely irradiated, she survived for another 10 years, becoming one of the most widely known Haibakusha, a Japanese term meaning bomb-affected person. Sadako's crane is a message of peace. The story of Sadako Sasaki has made the origami crane a peace crane, an international symbol of peace. And today, I'm going to show you how to make a Sadako crane. Thank you.
Thank you, Filwa. Desire, dreams, thoughts, speech, and action is what leads to success. Now I call upon Masna from 10th B for a speech.
Nuclear weapon offers nothing but a balance of terror, and a balance of terror is still terror. Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Here I would like to share a few importance of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The United States detonates the world's first atomic bomb at Tessa in New Mexico on July 16, 1945. Less than a month later, the atomic bomb was dropped on Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. This devastational death, Japan's unconditional surrender, and brought an end to Second World War. Hiroshima, a manufacturing center of some 350,000 people located over 500 miles away from Tokyo, was selected as their first target. After arriving from U.S. base on the Pacific island Tinian, more than 90,000-pound uranium-235 bomb was modified about and loaded bomber B-29 Kristen and Alage. The plane was dropped and the bomb was known as Little Boy in the morning. And it exploded Hiroshima and destroyed 5 miles square of the cities. On August 9, Major Charles Nui flew another B-29 bomb boxcar from Tine. Nagasaki, where plutonium bomb 5-man was dropped in the morning, which was more powerful than the one of Hiroshima. The Hiroshima bombing didn't just end the Second World War, it kick-started the Cold War. After the math of bombing war, Emperor announced his country's surrender in radio broadcasts. By the end of 1945, on Japan, it killed and maimed hundreds of thousands of people, and the effects are still being felt today. After the effects of 2 bombing, it's killed an estimated of 140,000 of Hiroshima and a further 74,000 of Nagasaki. Before concluding, if we didn't end war, the war will end us. Thank you.
Thank you, Masna. Every real problems have solutions, and if they don't, they are not real problems. We need peace to live in this world, and war is never a solution, but a massive problem. Now it's time to wind up our assembly. I thank everyone for your kind cooperation. Everything in the end will be fine, and if it's not the end. Be positive and stay calm. Everything you need is hope. By this, I call upon Gauri from 10th B for the call.
പാരന്തയാലുവായി ദാക്ഷിണ്യശാലിയായി വാഴുന്നോരീശ്വരത്തിരുനാമത്തിൽ നിഖില ലോകങ്ങൾക്കുമീ കരക്ഷകനാകും അഖിലേശ്വരനല്ലയോ സകല സ്തുതിയും അഖിലേശ്വരനല്ലയോ സകല സ്തുതിയും പരമകാരുണ്യവാൻ കരുണാനിധി വിധി പറയും ദിവസത്തിന്നീകാധിപതി പരമകാരുണ്യവാൻ കരുണാനിധി വിധി പറയും ദിവസത്തിന്നീകാധിപതി നിയതമാരാധിപ്പൂ ഞങ്ങളങ്ങേ മാത്രം സതതം സഹായമായി തീർപ്പതും തിരുമുന്നേ നിയതമാരാധിപ്പൂ ഞങ്ങളങ്ങേ മാത്രം സതതം സഹായമായി തീർപ്പതും തിരുമുന്നേ നയിക്കണം ഞങ്ങളെ നേരായ മാർഗത്തിൽ നിന്നനുഗ്രഹപാത്രമായോർത്തൻ മാർഗത്തിൽ അങ്ങയാൽ കോപിക്കപ്പെട്ടോരുടെ വഴിയല്ല സന്മാർഗഭ്രഷ്ടർ തൻ വഴിയിലുമല്ല പാരന്തയാലുവായി ദാക്ഷിണ്യശാലിയായി വാഴുന്നോരീശ്വര തിരുനാമത്തിൽ നിഖില ലോകങ്ങൾക്കുമീ കരക്ഷകനാകും അഖിലേശ്വരനല്ലയോ സകല സ്തുതിയും അഖിലേശ്വരനല്ലയോ സകല സ്തുതിയും അഖിലേശ്വരനല്ലയോ സകല സ്തുതിയും